Welcome, students, to part 4 of the plant cell 3D model. I thought today I'd try to do the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a series of membrane-like passageways, the information highway of the cell. Without further ado, let's begin. So here's my professional 2022, but I always select this little X and get rid of all those models and just create new, standard IPT, create. Start a 2D sketch, XY plane, and I got to figure my nucleus is 2 inches in diameter, so I put 2, enter, as you recall from part 2. Now I'll introduce you to the spline tool, spline control vertex. And I'm just going to create, with my curved line, some random-ish, fun-ish shapes. There's no end to what you can do. I mean, that was an accidental end, but I'm going to just continue my first endoplasmic reticulum curvature. It's quite fun to do this. Who knows if that works? There's some things you can adjust if you like. Once you have curves, you can always go in here, I believe, and grab and pull. No, that one's locked in. But this one here, maybe like this, make it look a little more aesthetically pleasing. You can grab the handles and change things. Make things narrower. I have no idea what will happen next. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. Remember, it's your world. Gotta have a vision for what your endoplasmic reticulum looks like. All right, let's just say that's it. What if I finish sketch and extrude this? That seems okay. 1 inch would be fine. Okay. I believe there's a chance I can use a tool called the shell. Let's see what happens. Can I shell it? That's interesting. Okay. Kind of reminds me of an endoplasmic reticulum. What do you say we put a material on it? I like to possibly put wood on these things. Let's try wood. It looks very organic. Select File, Save As. I'm going to call this Endo 1. Save. I'm actually going to go Control Z several times and see what happens. It doesn't seem to work. So once again, I'm going to delete the shell, go to the sketch. Now let's edit. Let's see if we can edit by taking a line and cut it in half like this. and then trim half. And now let's create the other half, and it will be different than the first half. Let's try yet again another. That was an accidental ending, but I think it worked nicely so that I can achieve my goal, which is to connect these two dots here, making it a complete circle. And again, you may edit your curves. We're creating variation in our endoplasmic reticulum 1 and 2. We have, oh, that's really gotten out of control. Control Z if things go a little awry. Control Z, maybe I'll grab this handle instead there. And then this handle. And this, possibly this way. And you got to be careful these don't get crossed over. That seems rather nice. Finish sketch, except try to extrude it yet again. Okay, and Control Z, extend. This should work. Okay, let's try the shell. Looks okay. I think that worked out. Not a very clear way to show you how to do it. File, export, save as, Endo 2, save. And let's try a third. I have to have 3. I'm going to delete shell. Double click on the word sketch to activate the sketch. Select and delete. Grab spline. Just see. Create a different shape for endoplasmic reticulum 3. I think this is going to work. Oops, Control Z. I should have made a mistake. I'll go back to my spline and try that yet again. Like little fingers reaching out. No one knows which way they go. Snap this together. It appears to be fine. I think maybe here I can adjust this. Finish sketch. Accept. See if I can get this to extrude again. Click OK. Shell it. Click OK. Click OK. And there we have Endo 3. File. Save as. Endo 3. Save. At this point, let's call it a break, and I hope that helps. Good luck.